It's extremely frustrating to spend minutes, sometimes even hours of your precious time trying to explain an idea or sometimes to share your vision to people and just realize nobody was listening. It's hard to hear, but the truth is that you may be passionate, you may be well prepared, you may even be a brilliant person with something very interesting to say, but if you say it the wrong way, people will ignore you. That's exactly what Simon Sinek is revealing us in his book, Start with Why. But good news, because today, for day 26 of my challenge to read 60 books in 60 days, I'm gonna tell you how changing one sentence can make everyone actually wants to listen to what you have to say. Transition. First, why people don't listen to you when you speak. The truth is not even that they don't listen to you. In reality, they're all willing to listen to you. You are the brother, after all. You are the boss, the coworker, the friend. Why would they not want to listen to you? They want to listen to you. They start listening to you, but they just stop a few seconds after you start speaking. Why? Because you always start with the what. You always tell them the what you do. You always tell them the what you are. You always tell them the what. But the what has one problem. It is boring. People stop listening to you when you start with the what because it's boring. And there are two things that makes it so boring. The first thing is that the what is already what we hear and what we listen to every day from everyone. Starting with what is what everybody does when they begin to speak or share an idea. So when you are talking to me, you're telling me what you do. You're telling me I have a seven-figure online business in cosmetic. When you're saying it, it is exactly what I heard a few minutes ago. It is exactly what I'm hearing on my phone or in my headphone. It is exactly what I see, what my friends tell me, what everybody does, what everybody says is the what. Everybody always begins with the what. So it makes it boring and it makes it just too common because it is where everybody starts. So when you start with your why, you are not special and you don't give me any reason to listen to you. And the second reason why starting with what just makes people tune out is that the what is something that can be guessed. When I see and I look at your clothes, it's obvious that you are a doctor. It's obvious that you are a businessman. Why do you want to tell me what? I already know the what. I can read the what. The what is outside. It is visible. It is knowable. It is just when I look at you, I already guess the what. So when you're telling me, it is meaningless. It is purposeless because what you're telling me, I've already guessed it. I already know it. That's why starting with the what is not the right thing to do. You will get people's attention for 2 seconds, even though you are the boss, you're their husband, their best friend, their boyfriend, whatever who you are for them. You will just have the attention 2 seconds and lose it because the word is already too obvious. The word is already too simple. It is already too clear, and we know it. So the right thing for you to do is to start with the why. It is what the biggest communicators use to get people to be interested and invested in what they say or what they do for many reasons. The first reason, when you start with the why is the purpose, the reason why you are doing things. And when you start by telling to the person why you are doing that, you will get so many things. How do you make a sentence start with the why? I started doing this business because I was sick and tired of seeing how many people are hungry while others spend money on things they don't even use. You're giving the reason why. When you tell the why you do what you do, you instantly make yourself authentic. And being authentic means you are giving to people the good reason to follow you. You are giving to people the good reason to listen to you. You are giving to people the good reason to stay and to tune to what you're doing. When you make yourself authentic, that means you're making yourself clear. There is nothing about you they have to doubt about. There is nothing about you they don't see. There is nothing about you they don't understand. When you're making yourself authentic, you immediately makes it clear and obvious for them to know why they have to listen to you. What is their interest? You're showing them why they have to listen to you. Telling the why is to tell to the person why they have to listen to you, why they have a good reason to listen to you. Say why you're doing what you do is the best way for you to get somebody's attention. If you want people to listen to you, start with the why. When you will tell the why, you will make them understand why they want to listen to what you have to say next. You are making them understand why it is interesting and what they are going to get listening to you. You have to make things obvious. The why is the hidden side, but the most interesting part in what you have to say. Not even what you have to, in what you are, who you are, your purpose, why you do the things you're doing. The why makes everything so clear. It makes everything too smooth to everybody to understand. It is to make them understand why they have to listen to you. And so they're all going to listen to you because they know why they are listening to you. They know why they're doing what they're doing. And everybody wants to know it. And the why will also create loyalty. The why creates loyalty for one reason. When they know why they are listening to you, why they are following you, why they are always along with you, they become loyal to you. They become your followers. You are a good leader because you have taught to the people why they had to do what they're doing. So they become loyal to you. You have given them the reason to make you their leader. You have given them a good reason to make you the one they listen to. That's why they will stay loyal. It's a consequence of starting with why, but a good consequence, of course. It's something that will make you the leader in the group and the one everybody follows. But the why is also interesting for you. Starting with why is also a way for you to tell yourself why you have to do it, to remind yourself why you started and why you're doing it. So never forget to start with the why. If you want to get people to listen to you, follow this golden circle. Start with the why you're doing what you're doing, the purpose, the reason why you started. And then move to the how. How do you want to do it? How do you expect to implement the things and how you plan to get the things done? And then you will say in the third and the last place, the what you expect doing. What is the plan that you will make implement? What is the thing that you will do to get the people to follow, listen, or just achieve the goal of yours or for the community or whatever? But always follow this formula, always follow this structure, and always follow the golden circle to get people to listen to you when you have something to say. I hope this video was useful for you. I will see you tomorrow for day 27. Then take care of yourself. Bye bye.